Hello. Today in the VeChain news, we have the news from ABN Crypto. It says all there is to know about VeChain's latest market stride. The VeChain network recently made a major announcement regarding what might possibly be its biggest change in the 2022. According to the announcement, the network's community recently voted on VIP 220 in favor of a mainnet hard fork. According to the announcement, VeChain will deploy Proof of Authority 2.0 on November 17th. The upgrade will reportedly facilitate benefits such as data quality guarantee and boost chain security. VeChain also expects the upgrade to bring it closer to its goal of global mass adoption. Should you buy the VeChain rumor? The VeChain network revealed that the transactions will be paused on the day of upgrade, but the big question remains whether news of the upgrade will have a noteworthy impact on the BET's price action. News of major network upgrades have historically triggered a wave of bullish demands in the days leading up to the scheduled upgrade date, which means price will rise up till November 17 and then it will come. Interestingly, BET's price action achieved a new 2-month high hours after the announcement. It then embarked on a major sell-off by more than 10% in the last 24 hours alone. We might see some bullish recovery attempts in the next few days given that VET's price retested the 50% relative strength index RSI level. The price also came close to rubbing shoulders with the 50-day moving average. But can it garner enough bullish demand to bounce off the psychological buy zone, or will the sell pressure persist? VeChain's on-chain metrics may help answer those questions. Its weighted sentiment metric dropped sharply in the last 3 days to its lowest level in the last 4 weeks. We know what has happened in the last 3 days. FTX has gone bankrupt. Binance has refused to buy it because it has mishandled the customers' funds. It was making its own token FTT out of thin air, which means as it desired to manufactured more FTT token and then buy loan from other exchanges, other companies by selling its FTT token. So these things cannot hide for a long time, and one day light has to fall on the bad works it has done behind the doors. And now it is also rumors that USDT balance is also depegging. It is also behind USDT is depegging. For a short moment, it was USD repegged to below $1, and it was proven that the FTT's Alameda research was behind it. It has a sell order of millions of dollars of the FTT token on the USDT market, so which will also cause more panic and also cause depegging of the USDT dollar token. So you should always be careful where to put your monies. Always check, recheck where are you putting your money. But these things will take time to learn. Slowly and slowly we will all learn these things. I've also lost money in the but we will learn from our mistakes, not to worry. Now that the weighted sentiment was down to its lowest monthly levels, it was likely that a recovery could be expected rather than more downside. We also know that we will also get over this downfall of the crypto market crash in a few days time when the things settle down and everything will again be fine. The fact that the price also dropped to its June lows may encourage more buybacks considering the heavy discount. Yes, I was also thinking at this time it is can be purchased at a very heavy discount. We have seen 50-60% downfall in just 2-3 days. So if trade can be made in 2-3 days ago, we would have gained much money back by selling now. That's Binance and FTX funding rates saw a sharp decline in the last 24 hours. This was consistent with the drop in the demand and increase in sell pressure. However, a sharp recovery was witnessed on the Binance funding rate. The Binance funding rate may indicate the return of bullish demand in the derivatives market. The FTX funding rate did not register a sharp recovery, but this might have more to do with the exchange's recent woes. VET's latest sell-off wiped out slightly over $370 million from its market cap in just 24 hours. For context, it took six days for the cryptocurrency to gain that much in the terms of its market cap. There is a chance that VeChain will regain the same market cap in a short time, given that there is a catalyst event coming up. The price drop represented an opportunity for buyers to get in at discount. Yes, I have told that we are getting it now at a discount. So that same thing was echoed by this news channel. More about other FTX rumors. Amid FTX rumors, Tether USD peg of $1 wobbles. What is going on? See, the crypto market still seems to be in the grasp of FTX Alameda. Currently, rumors are circulating that Tether's stablecoin USDT might be more affected by the downfall of FTX than it would like to admit. So it is saying the USDT briefly lost its usual peg to $1. The largest stablecoin market cap was trading at 0.94, temporarily at Kraken. Other exchanges saw minor derivatives. The Sam Bankman-Fried company Alameda, which borrowed $250,000 USD from Aave and exchanged it on the curves this morning, may be behind attack. The address is clearly attributed to the Alameda Research, which is owned by the FTX. So we are seeing that more FTX is causing more problem to the crypto market. So always be careful where you spend money, and always take care of your money. Buy Ledger or Treasure Hardware wallet, and keep safe the 24 or 12 word key, private key. Binance has announced that it will not pursue the potential acquisition of FTX. Yes, Binance on Twitter announced that the crypto exchange would end the acquisition plan because, among other reasons, FTX has mishandled customer funds. The first investor that funded FTX was Binance, the largest crypto exchange. As a result of cooperative due diligence as well as latest news reports regarding mishandled customer funds and alleged US agency investigations, we have decided that we will not pursue the potential acquisition of FTX.com. Binance tweeted. So, prior to the cancellation, Binance had been planning to support the US-based crypto exchange customers to provide liquidity. However, the company has stated that the issues troubling FTX is beyond our control or ability to help. It was mishandled very badly. On Twitter, one user replied to Binance tweet saying, "It is really easy. If you try to add 2 plus 2 and it equals to -5, then there is a problem no one can fix," referring to the financial problem surrounding FTX. So this was the news for today, and let us see what the VeChain price is at this time. It is $0.02227. So recovered from yesterday. So let us see what is the VeChain Foundation tweet say. It is about the supply make capital, which I covered few days back. Alessandro Zamboni, CEO, said, and inventory monetization provides an alternative option to payable and receivable finances. That's all for today. If you can check it, so VeChain VTHO Android wallet, there is an airdrop going on of the VeRocket or Jomo swap. Kindly swap few trades, and provide liquidity, so that when an airdrop is given, you will be eligible for the airdrop. So finally, kindly install antiviruses and VPN on your computer.